that suggests his majesty. Disposing the affair of all things, no intercessor can plead with him except after his leave. That is Allah, your Lord, so worship him alone, then will you not remember.
Jazakallah khair. Now I would like to say a few words about my mom. Many of you know her as Rubina Faisal, the amazing writer, poet, columnist, and now even producer. But to me, she's always been my mom first. Not many people are as lucky as I am to say that they have had a mom who has been both strong, creative, and compassionate all at the same time. By reading the poems in this book now, it is clear that my mom is a strong and resilient woman because there's a special kind of strength that is required to write the stories that she did. She puts herself in the shoes of all the mistreated, abused, and helpless people in the world who have not had the opportunity to speak for themselves. She is putting all her time and energy into giving voice to the speechless and standing up for them when they themselves are unable to. The great author F. Scott Fitzgerald said, "You don't write because you want to say something. You write because you have something to say." Anyone who's read this book, or those who will read it in the future, know that my mom clearly has something to say. She needed to write these poems and to get them out to the world, and to do so, she put everything that she had into them. I'm so grateful that I got to grow up in not only the home of the greatest literary mind, but also the most generous, caring, loving, and compassionate woman I've ever known. All of my achievements and all of the successes I've had in my life are all due to her. I owe her so much, and I couldn't be more proud to stand here today and tell you all about what a wonderful person she is. I love you, Mama. Now I'd like to introduce to the stage Chairperson of the Canadian Association of Pakistani Origin, winner of the 2018 Liberal nomination, and a close family friend, Mazhar Shafiq.